Aloha kako everybody, Uncle Gil back again with the Fishing Buddy Maui. Another adventure. We got the birthday boy, brother Tony. Yeah, you, and he's got his bodyguard back there with Uncle Matty. Brother Nick back there. The moon is still out. We're gonna go chase down some yanks. Yes. Anyway, another beautiful day here on the Valley Isle. We've got the Hobie Oasis out, loaded up with absolutely everything. The Daiwas are all out here, the Bixby motors, brother Tony's ready. Yeah! Let's go get this guy's arms yanked out of their sockets. So let's stay tuned for what we catch. If you're gonna be out on the water, fish safe, fish hard, fish often. Love it, love it, love it. And this is what it's all about. Injuring my client's shoulders. Yeah. You know. Ooh, he is on number 2. Yeah, baby. On the Batson R6, baby. Daiwa. Salta. What is that? The Saltiga 2-speed.
Oh, yeah, come here. Good time. That's
number 2 in the bass. What? 2 fish in 20 minutes. That's how we do it.
Man, that's
Tony?
awesome.
Yeah.
Oh,
she go.
She's
Yeah. Okay. Brother Tony is on 1, and he's on this one too. Tony, stop fooling around. Pull that fish up. Yeah, boy. Brother Tony got yanked around today. We are slowly making our stroll back in, but check this out. Look at our views of the West Maui Mountains. Talking about being blessed to live on Maui. I am the luckiest guy in the world. Yeah, you. Anyway, till next time. Fish safe, fish hard, fish often. Aloha.